Hey guys, MotorCarNut here, and today we're going to be replacing a bulb, or if you want to replace this whole lens assembly, tail light assembly, 2004 to 2012 GMC Canyon, or the Chevrolet Colorado, or even the Isuzu pickup. I think it's the i350 or 290. They're all the same, very easy to do. All you need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Okay, what you do, take the tailgate down, and over here, Phillips head right there, and one that's hiding. It's right in there. We'll take those two out, and that's it. Okay, once you get that out, just sludge right out. There's little pins there. Okay, you see that? And now you have your turn signal. What do we got here? You got your brake. You got the bottom one is the reverse lights right there, the white one. Well, they're all white, except that one. All right, and you just twist them out. Let me show you. Let me put this down. All right, just twist it, and they come right out. Okay, and if you're replacing the whole lens, that's what you do. And you just reverse the procedure. Very simple and easy. All right, and if you had a wiring problem, you can check it here. A lot of times sometimes they'll rub against the metal and you'll get a short or something. So, this is how you take them out. It's really simple video. All right, guys, MotorCarNut, please subscribe, hit the like button. Any questions pertaining to the video, leave them below. I answer all my questions, try to help everybody as fast as I can, and I appreciate all the feedback. Thank you, guys. See you in the next video.